Hi everyone, I'm Hashni. Today I'll be talking about something really important in the world of data visualization using Tableau. So it's all about how we can turn boring raw data into a beautiful interactive visuals that actually make sense. So first, why do we even need data visualization? Imagine looking at a spreadsheet with thousands of numbers, it's overwhelming. But if we put that into a chart or a graph, suddenly it makes sense. So the data visualization helps us to identify trends, patterns, and even outliers quickly. And it makes our communication better and helps decision making. Like they say, a picture is worth 1,000 row of data. Now let's talk about Tableau. So Tableau is a tool used to visualize data in a smart and simple way. The best part is you don't need to be a programmer. And it's a drag and drop based, and you can create dashboards and reports from raw data very easily. That's why it's so popular in industries like business, healthcare, marketing, and more. Here are some key features that make Tableau so powerful. You can connect to almost any data sources like Excel, SQL, cloud platforms, etc. It allows real-time updates, so the charts change as your data changes. The dashboards are interactive and super easy to use. You can share your work easily using Tableau Server and Tableau Public. And you can dig deep using filters and calculator fields. Types of visualization in Tableau. Tableau offers a variety of chart types depending on what kind of data you have. There are bar and line graphs, pie charts, tree maps, scatter plots, bubble charts, heat maps, and even geographic maps. Each chart has a purpose and helps simplify complex data into a meaningful visuals. Okay. So how does Tableau works? It's a simple five-step process. First, we connect to the data, and it could be an Excel file or a database. Then we clean and prepare the data, fix missing values or rename columns. Next, we create charts and graphs using a drag and drop interface. We combine them into a dashboard for a full picture, and finally we share it either by publishing online or exploring it. Okay, where is Tableau used? Pretty much everywhere. Businesses use it to track sales, hospitals use it to analyze patients, finance teams use it for budgeting, and marketers use it to measure campaign results. Even schools and colleges use it to monitor student performance. Okay, just to recap the five main steps in Tableau again. First is to connect to the data source and clean and prepare it, create the visuals, build your dashboards, publish, and share your results. Once you understand these steps, working in Tableau becomes really easy for you. Okay. Here is a quick comparison between Tableau and traditional tools like Excel. Tableau supports more data sources. It offers more advanced and interactive visuals. It updates in real time. It's easier to use with drag and drop features, and dashboard creation is much faster. Okay. To wrap up, Tableau is a great tool that makes data easy to understand, and it's used everywhere and is evolving with new features including AI. Learning Tableau is a great skill, especially for us in AI and data science. Thank you for listening.